Hello everyone, this is Falak Nas here, your business studies educator. Let us make business studies easy with Easy Here Online. In our previous chapter, we have studied about the planning, every process of planning, what are its limitations. We have understood that for planning, we make plans to decide where we are right now and where we have to go, right? Suppose I'm running a company and I want to earn 15 crore profit. Right now I'm earning only 5 crore profits. So I will plan out each and everything so that I can attain that goal. So in organization, what we do, first of all, we have plan out everything. In organizing, we organize everything. What does that mean, student? Organizing means making each and everything in order so that optimum utilization of resources can take place. You can take example of your school. Suppose in your school you have seen when there is a sports day, what your teachers, your staff do, your principal assign each and every duty to each and every person, that this one would be the coordinator and everyone have to report to this person. This person will take care of the ground part, a sports teacher will take care of the coordination and other departments as well. He would be responsible for happening of that event. So what is this? In your school also organizing take place. Your teachers, your staff, they organize sports day like that. This is what organizing is, student. Let's understand this organizing in a deeper sense. We will understand each and every aspect of organizing.